Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Fahmi bin Faizul. My meter number is 01DIB22F1045. Today, my group will present about the mobile banking and I will introduce about the mobile banking first. Mobile banking is a services provided by a bank or other institution that allow its customer to conduct financial transaction remotely using a mobile device such as smartphone or tablet. Unlike the related internet banking, is uses software, usually called an apps, provided by the financial institution for the purpose. Mobile banking is usually available on the 24-hour basis. Some financial institutions have restriction on which account may be accessed through mobile banking, as well as a limit on the amount that can be transacted. Next, I will continue the type of mobile banking services. I will take three types. First, monitoring of term deposit. Monitoring of term deposit providing user with a real-time access to their term deposit account. User can check their account balance, view transaction history, and receive notification about maturity dates or profit distribution according to Islamic banking principle. Second, mutual funds or equity statement. These statements often included information about the customer's account balance, investment, loan, and other financial holding. They provide snapshot of the customer overall financial position, helping them track their net worth and make informed decision about their finance. And last, access to card statement. User can select the specific card they want to view statements for and choose the time period they are interested in. The statement usually display details such as transaction dates, merchants, amount, and current balance.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Indra Putra Safwan bin Nurullah Ahmad. My metric number is 01DAB22F041. Now I will continue for the next part, which is mobile banking functionality. So, mobile banking offer a wide range of convenient functionality that empower users to manage their finance on the go. So, have a key feature include which is account monitoring. So, for the account monitoring, mobile banking app provide user with real estate access to their account balance and transaction history. This means user can keep a close eye on their finance wherever they are without having to wait for monthly statement or visit a physical branch. So the second key feature is a mobile check deposit. This feature allow user to deposit check into their account by simply taking a photo of the front and back of the check using their smartphone camera. This eliminates the need to physically visit a bank branch or ATM to deposit a check, saving time and hassle. So the third key feature, bill payment. Mobile banking app enable user to pay their bill electronically from their bank account. User can schedule all on time or recurring payment, view payment history, and receive reminder for incoming bill. This convenience help users stay on top of their financial obligation and avoid late fee. So this next, funds transfer. User can easily transfer funds between their own account or to other individual or business using mobile banking app. Whether it's transferring money to a friend for dinner or sending rent to a landlord, mobile fund transfer offer a quick and convenient way to move money securely. So the next, mobile wallet integration. Many mobile banking app integrate with mobile wallet service like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. This allow user to make contactless payment in store, online, or within app using smartphone without needing to carry physical debit or credit card. So the lastly, remote banking. With advanced feature like mobile banking, deposit and remote bill pay, user can handle most of their banking tasks without even needing to visit a physical branch. This is especially convenient for busy individuals who may not have to time visit a bank during regular business hour. So user can also access real-time account balance, transaction history, and statement. With advanced features like mobile check deposit and remote bill pay, streamline financial tasks and reduce the need for in-person banking visit. So this can give advantage for the user use the mobile banking uh, and more easy for the customer or individual to make any payment or any BT transaction finance.
So my name is Kwame Fun, meter number F1037. So today I'm going to proceed with the challenges and considerations for mobile banking. So the first challenges is security. So this is basically one of the most common issues that people would brought up when it comes to mobile banking security. So a lot of people don't know mobile browsers and apps account for almost up to 71% of fraudulent bank transactions. Other than that, bank needs to put an emphasis on explaining the security of their online bank system to their customers, so they can give them suggestions to improve their online habits, like using multi-factor authentication or using passphrases. The second challenges is customization. So it is very important for bank to offer more customization options for customers, so they can, in order to tailor to the customer's specific needs. So for instance, the bank's mobile banking app can offer the possibility to choose languages, date and time, amount, formats, the alerts, notifications, and etc. So the third issue is technical issues. So as you all know, mobile banking services requires good internet connection, but there are still some places, especially in the undeveloped countries, that still have poor internet connection or access, especially in rural areas. Other than that, bank servers are still prone to both international and accidental downtime. So bank needs to ensure the adequate communication of planned system downtime, like scheduled maintenance, in a way that they need to let their customers know about the period when the system is going down for maintenance purposes. So I'm going to move on to the last part of the presentation, which is the digital banking regulatory compliance. So the first rules that are very important, which is KYC, or know your client. So KYC is basically like a set of rules that would help the banking institution to identify or to verify their customers background, their identity, and more importantly their financial histories and background. So the KYC consists of three important components, which is CIP, which is Customers Identification Program, uh, EDD, which is Enhanced Due Diligence, and lastly is CDD, which is Customers Due Diligence. And the second one is AML, which is anti-money laundering. So anti-money laundering is like rules that helps to tackle the issues of money laundering, which is using your financial movements for your underlying crimes, such as tax evasions, drug trafficking, it could even be public corruption. And the last key regulatory compliance is data protection laws, that would help to protect the data that the customer gives to the banking institutions. So that's all for me. Um, Thank you.